friends, Running Kimono here. So we're going to talk about a very newbie friendly deal. If you didn't get any boosters, but you still want some very cheap OLAY, I have it down to $1.33. So that is kind of awesome. Anyone can do this deal. You don't need some fancy boosters or anything. You just need the following digital coupons, and hopefully most of you have everything I'm going to be addressing in this little video. So as you can see, this promotion is buy 3, get a $5 register reward. That is a store coupon register reward, but still you can buy whatever in the store with it. So as you can see, this is what we're going to be grabbing. At the top, it says 2 for $12, the Old Spice or Olay. I think a lot of us want the Olay, so grab 2 of the Olays. And then we're going to grab 1 toothpaste for $3 as well. So buy 3, get a $5 register reward, 2 body washes, 1 toothpaste. So that's what we're doing. So just to walk through the aisle, yesterday when I was in the store, that one with the little hazelnut or whatever to the left, it was not scanning with the coupons, but the rest were. So you can get 2 of these, or alternatively, use the app and scan. The bar soap is in fact part of this. I know some people swear by bar soap. It's all about bar soap. So definitely open up the app to see if the coupon's attaching. And then just to give you a quick peek, this is the coupon that we're going to utilize for this deal, and it's a 4 off of 2. So no fanciness, no razzle dazzle. This is just a straight little deal, no boosters needed, but still really significant savings here. And then for the toothpaste, we're going to have this guy loaded, which is a $2 off an adult toothpaste, and it is attaching to the $3 one. So how awesome is that? Okay guys, let's take a quick peek at the math. 2 Olay body washes for $12 on the nose, 1 Crest toothpaste for $3. The total for your basket right here is $15. We have the 4 off of 2 plus the $2, so that's $6 of digital manufacturers coming off right there. You can pay $9 out of pocket, get back your $5 store coupon register reward. So the final price point here is 4 for the 3, or $1.33 per product. If you want to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, if you're just grabbing these 2 body washes, you can absolutely do that, and no problems, no issues. Okay, so another deal that we can do here is $3 for each of these products. There's a 3 off of 2 digital plus a $2 one for the brushes or the paste. So if you want to get a mix and match of it, or if you just want to get 3 brushes, or, you know, you'd have to get at least 1 paste, but if you wanted to get 2 brushes, you can do that and mix and match it. For the purpose of this video, let's go with toothpaste only. So we're going to need that $2 one loaded along with this 3 off of 2. So we need 2 digital coupons loaded. Okay guys, so looking at this math, again, anyone can do this deal. Grabbing 3 of these, that's $9 on the nose. Remember, they're $3 a piece, so 3 times 3 is 9. Subtracting $5 of digitals, we have a 3 off of 2 and the $2 off 1. That's $5 right there. So you're left with paying 4 out of pocket, getting back a $5 store coupon. So it's a register reward. This is a store coupon. It makes it free plus a $1 moneymaker. And if you want to use a little bit of your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, your register reward will still print for view. Okay, so the next deal, I'm going to suggest that you do it with a curbside pickup, because for whatever reason, this Nexus stuff is always so much more in-store than online, or the curbside price, which I don't really understand, but hey, it is what it is. So the deal this week is $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20 on Nexus hair care. Now, there's this generous $5 coupon that appeared, and it is for the Nexus Curl Define product. So it is a newer product, and it's $5 off. So that is like super uber generous. Now, as you can see, guys, the curbside price is $11.99. I'm pretty sure this would be like 13 or 14 bucks in store. So that's why I'm saying do it as a curbside deal. Okay guys, so again, curbside, 2 of the Nexus Curlies is $23.98. We have a $5 digital manufacturer that's coming off. You're left with paying $18.98 cash out of pocket. So because you're doing this as a curbside, you're going to either have to use your debit card or credit card for this. As this is a spend offer, you can't use your Walgreens cash to pay this one down. So after you pay that and you pick it up at the store, shortly thereafter, you're going to be credited $10 of Walgreens cash, making it $8.98 for the 2. Remember, do not use your Walgreens cash for this one. Okay, so if you might have this booster, this is an older one, it's just for visual purposes. Pairing it with this deal, it's even better. So again, we're going to go with a curbside. So we are at $23.98, subtracting that $5 digital and have that booster loaded pour vous. You're left with paying $18.98 out of pocket. Remember, your debit card, credit card, that sort of a thing. That's what you're charging the full amount to. And then you're going to get back $15 in Walgreens cash, $10 for the booster for Nexus, and then $5 for spending $20. It makes it $3.98 for the two. Let's not forget to not use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, or you will not earn it, as it is a spend offer. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.